In this video, I will show you how to verify email on Discord. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to get started, what you want to do is come across to discord.com, or you can do this on the Discord app, the steps are the same, and log into your account. Once you're logged in, come down to the bottom left hand corner, click onto this gear icon to be taken to your user settings. And what you want to do is make sure you're on My Account. So if you come over to the menu on the left hand side, click onto My Account, and if your email is currently unverified, you're going to see this message at the top. By default, Discord is going to send you an email when you first set up an account to verify your email, but if for some reason the link's expired, or maybe you just can't find it in your email, what you can do is click the button here to resend a verification email. What that's going to do is send a new verification email to the email address linked to your Discord account. What you now want to do is come across to your email. Once you're in your email, this is what the email is going to look like from Discord. So at this point, you just need to click the button in the email which says verify email, and what it's going to do is reopen Discord, and you should get a message saying email verified. What you can then do is click on to continue to Discord, and on the pop-up window click on to open Discord, and you should now see that the verify email message has now disappeared. And if you come back into your user settings, you should now see the message has disappeared in here as well, which means your email has now been verified. So that is how to verify your email on Discord. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.